Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by backing up your save and opening the traffic overlay so you can see vehicle flow immediately. Once done, slow the simulation to half speed to test changes without cascading failures. You inspect the map for choke points, intersections, narrow bridges, and overcrowded station entrances, because these are where delays originate. Then you temporarily close problem links to stop new congestion while you plan reroutes and quick fixes. You now rework the road network, convert failing intersections into roundabouts, or add time signals where needed, because controlled flow reduces idling. Next, create parallel relief roads and implement one-way pairs to distribute traffic. Add dedicated bus lanes to keep transit reliable. Then focus on transit. Increase vehicle frequency, rebalance routes, and space stops to speed trips. Make iterative small changes and monitor the overlay. This lets you see which interventions actually reduce queue lengths. You finish by restoring normal speed and watching the city for a day or two of simulated time to confirm stability, because some issues only appear over time. Make small budget and zoning tweaks to discourage unnecessary driving and expand parking controls so people choose transit. If congestion returns, revert to your backup, isolate the segment you modified, and reapply changes one at a time to identify the culprit. That targeted rollback is the fastest troubleshooting method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.